Friends, now let us see one more problem that is quite easy problem. They are asking a student that uh, the compressibility factor of the a gas is greater than unity. It is greater than Z is equal to greater than unity at STP. Therefore, so greater than unity, what is meaning of student? Difficult to compress. Difficult to compress. Difficult to compress. Difficult to compress. Okay, less than unity, easy to compress. Z is equal to 1 is ideal condition. Okay, so it is difficult to compress means V should be, volume should be more than the 22.4 liter SSTP. So correct option is option number A is correct, student. You can read out the slides also. Here is the slides. Z real is greater than 1. So Vm is equal to greater than 22.4 liter because V ideal is 22.4 liter. Hence, when volume is higher, the gases are far apart and therefore difficult to liquefy. Thank you so much for watching, friends.